Greetings, folks. Well, I had to take a little vacation from Vacation Earth. The first time I've actually taken a break in about 4 years. But I'm back now. Thanks for watching. Before we begin the show, some special humans donated to my recent Indiegogo campaign. And today we're going to give a shout out to the people in the Worm Looking for a Host group. And they are as follows: Kathy and Ken Bradley, Kathleen Clark, Diana Delatour and Suzanne, Rosemary Guzman Hook, Stacy Lawson, Jenny Meeker, Will Pomerantz, and Lauren and Kyle Scott. Thank you for the support, humans. And now, on with the show. So I just pulled up to this cabin that I'm renting in Jedediah Smith, Redwood State Park. And I had such a time trying to find the code for the front door. And luckily these people came along and they helped me find it in my reservation email. But it was not easy. It was kind of hidden in a lot of words. Anyway, between the two of us, we found it. Thankfully, they were looking for a cabin too. So anyway, here's the thing. Put in the code, and here's the cabin. Interesting. It's supposed to fit 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I guess so. But no mattresses. Interesting. So I guess you have your own mattresses or your own bedding that you bring, and I did not. So guess what? I'm sleeping in my camper because my bed's so comfortable. But I can hang out here and you know, have a little nice hang out in here and hang out on the porch and stuff. I get this till noon tomorrow. But I'm spending the night in my camper. My camper is primo. My bed's really comfortable. Cozy. It's like a cave in there. I love it.
Take some coffee and some bread.
Anyway, cool. I've never stayed in a cabin before, so I thought this would be a fun new experience. But note to self, bring bedding. And I suppose I could bring my bed in here, but it's too heavy. It's a pain. I'm not doing that. Good morning, everyone. Heading to the bathroom. Look at all these magnificent trees just surrounding the campsite. Just over here at the nice restroom has showers. And this is cool. It's like a multi-level thing going on here. I think that's maybe water down there. I'll probably take a shower here because when you get the opportunity for a shower, you should take it. Walking back to the campsite from the restroom. It's just beautiful. There's my spot. There's my RangeRunner. Showers are great, warm, put quarters in. Burning a little fire here in the cabin. Actually, that's a little heater. I don't know if it does other things. Might circulate air. I don't know. Anyway, I don't know that it's super powerful, but for this time of year, it does a trick. So we're heading down this little path from the shower bathroom area. I think there's supposed to be a river path. Here we go. Found it. Trail. These are all campsites along here. These are, we call them walk-in campsites. Apparently, amazingly, as old as these redwood trees are, their root system is not deep. I'm wearing my flip-flops, not wearing hiking shoes. Oh, looky here. Clear water. Gorgeous. Got my feet in the water. Hey folks, I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and I will see you next time. By the way, very quickly, if you like the show, consider Buy Me a Coffee to help support the show. Buy Me a Coffee is a great way for creators and artists to accept one-time support or membership ongoing from their fans for the price of a coffee. Go to buymeacoffee.com/BrainFire to help the show. Thank you.
Take some coffee and some bagels and get out of here to where the weather